It's a cracking day. We're about halfway up Liathach. Set off maybe about an hour back. Intermittent cloud on the top. There's blue skies above me just now, but 5 minutes ago it was just shrouded in clag. So hopefully once we get to the top of this first Munro, we'll get some glorious views. Here's hoping. It's a cracking day, a bit windy, but we can handle the wind. Oh, lovely. There's a party of 5 or 6 individuals across there, see if we can zoom in. A very good zoom. They're taking the ridge line up there, looks quite exciting. I thought there might have been a wee bit more snow left, but there's only a few traces of snow in this gully on the right hand side here. It's quite surprising, but the weather's been so mild that it does this in the gully. Top up there, top's looking mighty fine. Looking back down the path, it looks really nice. It's fairly straightforward, no technical climbing or scrambling as yet, but we're probably about 3/4 of the way up and that's looking really nice. A nice day, a bit blustery at times, but we can cope with that. Must be reaching the summit. Terrain is getting gradually steeper and steeper and a bit harder because it's a bit loose underfoot. Here's a party of 6 walkers. I did notice they took the hard way up and good on them. 2, 4, 6, 7 I think. Just looking over to the village of Torridon, I think. Lovely. Ooh, you dancer. Getting a bit windy. Oh, it's a bit blurry today. Oh, let's smoke. Holy shamote. You heading along? Yeah. Good luck. Just luck. down again. Now, that's a view. That is a view. That's looking lovely, yeah? Lots of mist coming in. And